This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming key prerequisites: an active SBI account, your registered mobile, and either net banking credentials or debit card info. Open SBI Co. in or SBI Yono app on a secure, updated browser or device. This reduces failures. Enter your user ID then the CAPTCHA. Once done, request OTP immediately to avoid expiration. Use the debit card details only if prompted for first-time activation. These steps speed login and prevent lockouts, so prepare documents and phone before you tap or type. Once logged in, focus on beneficiary setup and secure transfers. Go to Profile, then Manage Beneficiaries to add a payee. You will need OTP and sometimes the debit card's PIN for activation. This prevents fraud. Next, choose Fund Transfer, pick IMPS, NEFT, or RTGS based on timing and limits, enter amount and purpose, then confirm with transaction PIN or OTP. Also use services to view e-statements, set billers, and enable SMS/email alerts so you always track activity and avoid missed payment. To finish, confirm transactions in history, print or download acknowledgements, then log out and close the browser. This prevents session reuse. If an OTP fails or doesn't arrive, wait 30 to 60 seconds, then request a new one. Also verify mobile network and do not flood requests. If your account locks or a transfer is stuck, call SBI Help Desk with your account and reference ID. Explain steps taken. Make sure to enable two-factor protections and set strong passwords to reduce repeat issues in future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.